Hello everyone, here's Nora, and I will test this machine with 3 different types of the thermal label to elevate this machine's compatibility.
Stylish and decide for efficiency. Let's start with thermal receipt paper. We supply high-quality thermal paper with stable coating and excellent imaging retention. Next, thermal label paper. Printing is very clear. Our thermal label features strong adhesive and customizable size. Now, let's test Bluetooth printing via smartphone.
Different materials result in the same print. If you're interested in our products, you can contact us. Choose Ceiling, choose Professional.